Dear students, today we are going to discuss letters to school and college authorities. This year we have to do two types of letter for our final examination. First type of formal letter is business letter or official letter. We have already done it. And second type is letters to school and college authorities. And in these type of letters you will find letters of school issues, requirement, seeking admissions, and inquiry about courses, inquiry regarding admissions, etc. So let's take example of the first letter. Write a letter to the principal of your school, MGN Public School, Ahmedabad, suggesting him her to improve the working of school canteen. You are Anita Aman, a student of +1C. So these are the hints, or you can say point, you have to include in your letter. Need to bring improvement in the working of school canteen, ban on fast food and fizzy drinks, simple nutritious food items, emphasis on cleanliness and prompt service. So as I told you that in formal letter, we have to write self-address at the left side of your notebook or your answer sheet. But when we write a letter to school in which you are reading, you need not to write address on the left side. You need not write your address because it's clear that you are the student of this school, and at the end you will write your name and you can also write the name of your class. So whenever we write letter to school or colleges where you are studying, so you need not write your self address. So we will start from the date on the left side. The pattern will remain same. Then whom we are going to write letter? The principal. Just as we write an application in the school, just as you want leave and you want to take, you have some urgent piece of work, you write an application, the format will remain same as you write in application. So the principal, the name of the school and the name of the city, then respected sir and ma'am, then subject. And what is the subject? Need to improve working condition of school canteen. So as I told you, you should write always letter in 2 or 3 paragraphs. After writing subject, you have to write letter in 2 or 3 paragraphs. I am a student of +1C. I want to draw your attention to the bad upkeep of school canteen by the contractor. So at first you will introduce yourself. That's why I have told you that you need not to write your self address on the left side of your notebook or answer sheet. So then at first you will introduce yourself, and in this paragraph you will describe what type of problem you are facing, and in next paragraph you can give your suggestions also. So most of the food items sold in the canteen are bad for health. They are deep fried with inferior kind of cooking oil. No healthy snack is available. Moreover, there is a lot of uncleanliness in and around the canteen. The service is extremely poor. So in this paragraph, you mention your introduction, and you can also write the problem which you are facing, which type of problem you are facing. And whenever we change the paragraph, we can write here the suggestions and what type of rules you want for this problem. So my suggestion is that there should be a ban on the sale of fast food and fizzy drinks in the canteen. Simple nutritious food items should replace fast and junk food. The contractor should be asked to ensure cleanliness and prompt services. I hope, at last this line is very important. I hope you will favorably consider my suggestions, that you will understand our problem, or you will favorably consider my suggestions and give your opinion, and you can also write that you will take immediate steps to remove this. So that's like you can write, and then thank you, yours sincerely, name. You can also write your class. Next one is write a letter to the principal of your school suggesting the holding of remedial classes for weak students. So this is remedial for weak students. You want some remedial classes, and for this you want to write an application, or you can say letter to the principal. In the same manner, you will write here. At first you will write date and then address, school name, and subject holding of remedial classes. I am a student of class. You will introduce yourself, and then you will describe what type of problem you are facing and what are your suggestions and why you want these classes. And as I told you, you will write the letter in 2 or 3 small paragraphs. You can change lines also, because the presentation of the letter, it looks, it should be in a very good style. So I am a student. You will introduce yourself. I want to make a suggestion for holding remedial classes for weak students. Sir, examinations, why you want? You at first you will write that you want remedial classes. Then why you want? Sir, examinations are near at hand. This is the reason. Our teachers are giving finishing touches to all syllabus. They have no time for revision. That's why. This is the reason. So as I told you, that you have to describe your letter in 2 or 3 paragraphs. In first paragraph you will introduce yourself and why you want this, and the reason. You in 3 or 2 lines you will explain why you want these classes. So many students who could not do very well in the house examinations are especially worried. They have problems which they want to discuss with their teachers, but there is no time. So suggestion, just as I told you, therefore I suggest that for 1 month special remedial classes should be started. Students who got less than 40% marks in the previous examination should be asked to attend these classes. I feel that this arrangement will be very helpful to weak students. I hope you will respond favorably. Just as we also write this line in previous letter, you can also write that I hope that you will consider the matter and take an action for the benefit of the weak students. Same, thank you. Yours obediently you can also write. Yours sincerely you can also write, and your obediently, because you are writing letter to the principal. One more example I am taking here. You are Kamaldeep of class +1C. Write a letter to the principal of your school suggesting frequent holding of blood donation camps in the school. In same manner you will write why it is needed, blood donation camp, why it is needed. You will write all these things. So after this, one more letter is there. So you can see these letters, student, here, or I will also send you the PDF of this, and you have to write all these letters in your fair notebook.